Gresini Racing officially launched their new squad ahead of the start of the 2024 MotoGP season. They are the first team to present their lineup this season, namely in Riccione, Italy. The squad, which is based in Faenza, Italy, is certain to retain Alex Marquez, as well as bringing in his older brother, who is also an 8-time world champion, Marc Marquez. Marc Marquez replaced Fabio at Giannantonio. Marc Marquez moved to Ducati via Gresini after 11 years defending Repsol Honda and winning 6 world titles. He was only contracted for 1 season by Gresini, and has no ties to Ducati Corse. In the Valencia post-season test in November 2023, he immediately recorded the 4th fastest time. Gresini Racing faces the 2024 season with high enthusiasm and motivation. The reason is, the Marquez brothers will get a Ducati Desmosdici GP23 motorbike. Even though this is an old motorbike, this is the motorbike that led Pecco Bagnaia to become world champion and Jorge Martin to become runner-up in 2023. This is the 3rd year for Gresini Racing collaborating with Ducati Corse in MotoGP. While under the Bologna Bullet banner, Gresini always wore light blue on his motorbike. However, it could be said that their livery or pattern this season has not undergone any significant changes compared to the 2023 livery. Alex Marquez will be undergoing his 5th season in MotoGP, and Gresini Racing is the 3rd team he has played for, namely after Repsol Honda and LCR Honda Castrol. He will live this season more optimistic because he has successfully won 2 Grand Prix podiums and 2 sprint wins in 2023. Alex Marquez also teamed up with his older brother, Marc Marquez, in Gresini this season. Previously, they teamed up at Repsol Honda in 2020. However, at that time they practically only teamed up for 1 series, because Marc had a serious accident at Jerez and then missed the whole season.